Good morning. So here we are again. Today we will do the following. We will do this long O split digraph, OE for spelling. Then we'll read a business report. It's a comprehension in your English textbook, and that's on page 94 and 95. And then you'll be doing your spelling worksheet as well as answering a few questions from this business report. So you can remember a while back we did the long A sound, which was also a split digraph with AE. So let's have a little reminder of what a split digraph is. Split digraph contains two letters. As you can see, there's all the different ones, and we're now busy with the OE, but they are split in the middle with a consonant. For example, of course, make, bike, and cone. The split digraph works by using an E after the initial vowel, and that changes the sound of the vowel. So, the vowel is changed from a short O sound to becoming a long O sound. So, let's have a look. There's a whole bunch of words with a long O sound. Bone, hose, robe, dome, grove, oh boy, I need to put my glasses on, code, cone, cope. I hope you all cope well during this lockdown time. Okay, and you can go through those words and read all of them. Then you're going to have this worksheet to do. Now here is the interesting part about this worksheet. So all those words that you see in the table there, I've just split in two parts on your worksheet. So you're going to use all the words. So what I want you to do there where you see the boy in the house is first highlight all the words there that are nouns. Nouns being people, places, or things. I think many of these things might be things, but that's up to you to find them. So highlight all the words that are nouns that you can find in both those tables of words. All those highlighted words you then write inside the house and around the house. And then whichever words are left over, you will write in the word web. There's lots of spaces in that web to write the words. You can use different colors. You can make it fun for yourself. So we're going to read and view a business report that is in your English textbook on page 94 and 95. So before we start reading, quickly discuss with somebody who's around you what a hairdresser can do to your hair, all the things that you know of. Now I want you to read the headings and the captions in the story. I don't have the whole text with me on this page, but we'll see more captions as we go along. So the heading of this business report is a successful business. What kind of information do you think you'll find in this text? Is this going to be fiction, like a story, or is this going to be an information text? Yes, I'm sure you all gathered that a business report would be an information text. So here we go. Bongi has a successful hairdressing business near Tembisa. Her salon has been there since 2009. Men, women and children come to her salon every week. She gets up early every day and she works hard. What Bongi does? Bongi can cut hair and she can also color it. She can straighten or curl hair as well. She can also plait hair or add hair extensions. Bongi works quickly but carefully. She must make people happy so that they can come back to her salon. And there you see a little menu of all the different jobs she does. Planning a bigger business. That is a caption. One day, Bongi decided to get someone to help her in the salon. But first, she wanted to know which part of her business was the most successful. So she made notes about the numbers and types of jobs she did each month. She put the information into a table, and we saw the table on the previous page, right? And you will have it in front of you in your book. Making a decision. She realized that people liked the way she cut their hair. More and more people also asked for hair extensions. Now I know what I must do, she said. I must employ someone who is good at doing hair extensions. I will find someone who can work quickly. Okay, so what I want you to do now is you are going to open your English workbook to do these comprehension questions, and you're going to do them in writing. Okay, and the questions are only 6 questions. A, where is Bongi's business? I want you to answer it in full sentences. I'm going to show you now how I want you to do it, because maybe you've forgotten how we did it in class. Then it's going to be B, which of these things in the box below can you ask Bongi to do to your hair? And there you're just going to pick the things and you're going to write them down. You don't need to write a full sentence there. C, find 2 words, adverbs in the second paragraph that tell us how Bongi works. Remember, that is how she does something. So you're going to find it in the second paragraph. D, what is the most successful part of her business? Full sentence. E, this is a little challenge. Explain why Bongi made notes about the work she did. And F, give a reason why Bongi is going to employ someone who can do hair extensions. Okay guys, quickly have a look how I want you to write in your books again. If you have forgotten, you're going to write the date on not the big line at the top, but the next one, 23 June 2020. Then you write the heading, a business report, page 95. You're going to skip one line. Then you can write 4A and a full stop. And when you start answering the question, you start with a full sentence. Bongi's business is in, and then you write the name of the place it's in. And then you can skip a line and then you do B. Skip a line between every one you do. Okay, so let's just go through the activities that you have to complete today. You're going to do the long O split diagraph worksheet. That's page 4 of your worksheet pack. And then you're going to complete this business report in your English workbook. And then once again, you can read a book of your choice. Remember to write it down at the back of your English workbook. If you don't have your workbook yet, you have to please come and get it at school. Just write it in the book you're currently working in. Thank you, guys.